we are. Our stay arm in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these here, hold the wire to tension it. So when we put the tensioners on there, we're going to tighten it up, and these posts are going to want to lean that way. So what we do is we tighten those ones up. We're going to have one that running across here, which we're going to tighten up to push the post back that way so it stays nice and straight. One on the bottom, and the ground won't have much give, especially on this one because we've got concrete. Now, I have actually found, so I thought concreting in a big stranded post like this, I wouldn't actually need one, a stay arm. And what I did was, we might show it to you at the end of the video, it's even thicker than this. I tightened it up, but all nice, and over time it just started to wilt and move back a bit. And most people don't notice it, but it really annoys me. So now, even though it's concreted, every stranded post gets a stay arm. First one here, like so.
Isn't like a figure eight.
Holding fix there. See, and now I just pull this from the jenny. You see it spins.
Keeps the wire nice and neat. No, Dad's just pulling as much as he needs.
Where is the truck?
Oh, they've gone for a wander somewhere. Go find them if you want.
That's a bit silly.
And we laughed.
And Olivia laughed at you.
No, they laughed.
Keeping them top and bottom, so when they goes all nice and taut, it looks good. Here, like so. Now.
Want me to hold that?
Right, when you cut these, I normally stand on it like this, so no little people lose an eye.
Yes, they do twang like that.
Okay, see if I can tie this one nicely.
Do you want to start trying to round them back up? Here, love. I think Snowy's down the driveway. Oh, do you want to try and round them up? No, there he is.
See, make a little figure eight like that.
So you just tied in that sort of like a little basic knot, didn't you?
Yep. There you go. Bend that there like that. Turn that round like that. Keep pressure on it. Right, twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do it like this.
Little crank handle.
Snap.
Snap.
Just like that.
Just
That's how
like
it's
that.
done.
Ready?
Right. Then I realised I've made that way too long. Put this in through this. Like that. Give it a bend. Nice tight bend. Right, that's not going in. This is what, see it's square. So it's on here. these a bit of a wiggle, help them all loosen up, and just give them a bit of a tighten. Your extra tool. Make sure start doing up even. Yeah, that's the ones closest to the just loosening off. That looking better.
Looking pretty neat.
Yeah, I know we've got one what are those things?
Staple.
Staple either side of the post. Around the back just to get some extra holding. Just in case. But a lot of people don't seem to realise that after buying a 10-acre block and putting your house on it, you're going to pay someone to do it. It's damn expensive.
Alright.
Right, now I don't smack those in fully. So I've got all the wires up and it's fully tensioned. And if you look down here, you actually see, because it's a three-way post here, I've actually put an X up. So if I need to pull one post back that way or back that way, I can do it with either way.
Woohoo.
Yeah, so I've actually kept them separate from each other as well. They're still loose now, but I'll do them up once I get the main wire up, which I'm about to do next. Right, and so this is step one of making a 6-foot deer fence.
Yes. If you want to see the completed product, we'll be doing a complete thing of how we do the entirety of this fence with in our chicken series. Building the chicory. Right.
There you go. Any questions? Anyone to ask? Leave a comment and I'll get on it.